Hello and welcome guys, we're back with another video. Today we are making a very simple recipe. It's egg curry. It's a modest egg curry with minimum ingredients, as you can really see. So the main ones here, as you can see, of course, eggs here. We have 6 eggs here and we've made slight incisions along the sides of the egg. Besides that, we'll be requiring tomato paste and another paste that's made out of onions, ginger and garlic. We'll need sugar for this and some ground spices as well. So we have Kashmiri mirch, red chili powder and turmeric. Besides that, just some oil and salt to taste. That's it guys, let's get started. The first stage guys here would be to shallow fry the eggs. So we've taken oil here in a wok, and once the oil is hot, just add in a pinch of turmeric to the oil. When the eggs have taken a nice yellowish color, as you can see, just remove the eggs from the oil and we'll store them separately. And as you can see guys here, the eggs are now ready, so we'll just keep them aside for now while we go on to making the masala. And in the same pan now, we're just going to add in the onion and the ginger garlic paste. The exact quantities are provided in the description box. Please do have a look. Continue braising everything until the raw smell of ginger and garlic is no longer there. After about a minute or so guys, the raw smell is no longer there. We will now add in the sugar and continue braising. And after another minute, we will add in the ground spices. And once again, mix everything and continue braising. 1 more minute has passed guys, and everything is now mixed nicely. This would be the perfect time to add in the tomato paste. And of course, don't forget the most important step of braising it one more time. This is where the spices are now getting cooked and the masala is getting ready. Also add in salt according to your taste. And mix. After about a couple of minutes guys, the oil has started separating from the mixture, and now we are going to add in the eggs. And once that's done, we're going to continue cooking everything for about 1 more minute. We will now add in around 1 cup of hot water. Just mix everything well one more time. After 5 minutes guys, we've removed the cover, and as you can see, the egg curry is absolutely ready. Now you can continue cooking it. It just depends on the consistency of the gravy that you want. We'll just reduce the gravy a little bit more, but the dish is pretty much done. Our egg curry is now done guys. We'll just set it aside for 5 minutes and then we're going to serve it. And all done guys, as you can see, the egg curry, the simple egg curry is done. It's served. It smells amazing. It's one of our personal favorites. We really hope you like it. Enjoy!